beautiful to see just dance everywhere. To me, dance is my very life. It's my breath. I began dancing at 3 and never stopped. It has kept me physically healthy, mentally clear, sound. Memory is good, especially the dances I learned. Dance is a way of communicating with people. We can tell stories, we can laugh about it. There is drama in it, but it's the drama of the gods. So it is a kind of a communication with gods, being sacred by nature. I really revere it. It is my very soul. So I do hope this dance will continue forever and ever. When I wake up in the morning and put my 2 feet on the ground, it breaks into a diditai, 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 diditai sound. Different rhythms come through me. I feel fresh like a lark. I want to get out and just leap out of bed. I know all this new things, the technology has taken people way beyond our expectations. But we always need to go back to the center. And that's where dance is. That's where music and dance are together like the two eyes. That's where the soul is happy because it connects with other people. There's unity among people. A dancer or a musician or a poet or people in the arts, they are the ones who can bring changes in life. We established Hindu temple rhythms in this country when I came here in 1968, when my first daughter, Vidya, was born. My father and mother had come from India. My mother started this in 1956 for me, so I'd not forget my music and dance. And since then, I felt it was necessary for me to keep her dream going. It became my dream. It's not just a dream, it's become a reality. MI India is a great platform. It has given so many dancers opportunities to get up on the stage and express themselves. They recognize talent, they honor them, they award them for their interest, especially the young ones. I'm very happy you invited me to take part in this one. I'm going to show you some dancing. Oh, never stop. Use of the hands brings out the beauty of the soul. Usage of the eyes that speak volumes. You can see a bird fly out from the hand, flapping its wings. You can see the clouds floating in the sky, the rain pouring down. Classical dancing is beautiful. Thank you for having me. Happy World Dance Day. Radhe Krishna. That was an excerpt from Origins, a dance drama that was produced, directed, written, sung, and music composed by Gopal Venkatraman, our music director at HTR. I hope you enjoyed the program. It was about how dance came to the world from the gods, from Lord Shiva in his exuberance of dance, does the Tandava. So we showed you a portion of the Sapta Tandavas. I hope you enjoyed it.
Amagin Neshanum சுடரும் டமருகமும் கையில் ஏந்தி தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட தச்சம் சுடரும் டமருகமும் கையில் ஏந்தி செஞ்சரையில் திங்களும் கங்கையும் சூடி தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்கிட்ட தச்சம் செஞ்சரையில் திங்களும் கங்கையும் சூடி கையிலையில் ஈசனும்
తత్తరి తత్తన తజ్జను తద్దిని తాం తకతరి తత్తన తజ్జను తద్దిని తాం తత్తన్న తాం తజ్జొన్ను తాం తత్తిని తాం తక్కిట్ట తాం తత్తటి తత్తన్న తజ్జొన్ను తద్దిని తరి తదన తన తదిను జొను తదిని దిని తకిట తత్తింది తా తత్తి తాది తా తదిగిణతం తక తదిగిణతం తక దిక తదిగిణతం తత్తింది తా తత్తి తాది తా తదిగిణతం తక తదిగిణతం తక దిక తదిగిణతం తత్తింది తా తత్తి తాది తా తదిగిణతం తక తదిగిణతం தக்க திக்க ததிங்கிணத்தோம்
பரமேசன் படைத்த சர்வ தாண்டவங்கள் உலகிலே பரமேசன் படைத்த சர்வ தாண்டவங்கள் உலகிலே ஆனந்த தாண்டவம் திரிபுர தாண்டவம் சந்தியா தாண்டவம் சமர
There are a lot of dance institutions in and around Michigan. There are different forms of dances that the teachers teach. There is Bharatanatyam, there's Kuchipudi, there is Mohiniyattam, there's Kathak, and even Odissi. And all these teachers have given their life to the promotion of these classical dances that they learned. And we give a lot of children, our students in their various institutions. There are newer ones cropping up every now and then. So it's really wonderful to see the growth of both classical, modern, folk, and the fusion dances that are coming up now, the modern dances. Everybody is moving. All the children are getting to learn all these things. And so Michigan is a very, very cultural state, rich in culture. And we are happy. We're a big family. Dance family is a big family. Most of us are, like in our own schools, our entire time during the day is spent with the students mostly. It would be nice for us to seek out the American audiences and make sure that they also enjoy the richness of India's culture passed on. So I hope that happens. Well, we have MI India.
Namaste. I am Sangeeta Kar from Midland, Michigan. I come from the eastern Indian state of Odisha. From the land of Odissi dance, Sambalpuri textiles, and Lord Jagannath. I have master's degrees in classical Odissi dance, Hindustani classical vocal music, along with English literature. Since the last 35 plus years, I have been here in USA performing and teaching dance and music to about 800 students with the blessings of my gurus Padma Vibhushan Kelucharan Mahapatra and Pandit Deepak Basu. Dance and music combined together to contribute substantially to my physical and mental well-being. Being away from my birth country, India, teaching and performing both the traditional arts has given me a sense of belonging with the universe because these arts are universal and an important part of my life since the tender age of 3. Keeping fit physically and mentally inspires me to be on my feet every day, even during pandemic times, even though most of the teaching and performing has been virtual. Michigan has a wide range of dancers and teachers who have been very ably showcased year after year in a grand manner by miindia.com. In the video you are about to see, I have performed a pure dance item called Chandrakos Pallavi, which I have composed the music, lent my voice, and choreographed. For more information on me, please visit my website at www.sangeetakar.com and Facebook page Sangeeta's Dance and Music of India. Namaste.
నిన్ని నిన్ని దని సని ధమ్మ సని దని స నిద మదని గమ మదమ దని దని సని గమ దని స గమ దని స గమ దని స గమ మమ్మ మమ్మ గమ తమ గస నిన్ని నిన్ని దని సని ధమ్మ సని దని స నిద మదని గమ మదమ దని దని సని గమ దని స గమ దని స గమ దని స గమ నా తిరుతాని కుందిరుతాని తాతాని తాతాని దిరి నది తారే తాని దిరి నా తారే తాని తుం తననన తననన
Dance is everything to me. Dance is always something I can explore on with. And at the same time, with that, I can express and I experience. And that is the biggest thing to really find me within my all those aspects of exploration, expression, and experiences. I get inspired by a lot of things. But at the same time, the most inspiration I get from my students, my fellow dancers, the alumni of CIDY and Nadanta, my youngest dancers, 4.5 years old. I learned a lot from them. The reason is they are literally born and raised here in America, but they are so eager to learn dance. They are eager to really participate. They are enthusiastic to learn this ancient Indian art and explore. Wonderful, inspiration I get from them. Dance in Michigan, it's so much to say. Michigan is full of dancers. Michigan is full of a lot of different disciplines in dance. one can literally learn sitting at one place all around the world styles of dances. I have met a lot of different dancers, different disciplines, and that's the reason we are very much fortunate to be here, you know. That makes us one, to get united, and that is our production, United We Dance, this year on August 1st. So, how we can find out all those things for dance related? MI India. I used to literally tell people that if you don't find anything to do, just go on MI India, when it was new, fairly new, years back. Now people can't live without MI India because they get all the information, and at the same time it's just unwavering service and the way of their working. One can find everything for whatever they desire to do over the weekend or religious, spiritual way. So I'm really grateful for that. Thank you.
ओ साहिबा मैं जहाँ देखूं जाऊं जहाँ मुस्कुराता है सारा जमा ओ साहिबा जगमगाती है राहें मेरी जान कैसी है जादूगरी नया गीत कोई फिजा गा रही है, जमीन सुन रही है, हवा गा रही है साहिबा इतने सारे गीत सुरीले जब ये मौसम गाता है, गम की गलियां छोड़ के ये दिल सपनों के घर जाता है। इतने सारे गीत सुरीले जब ये मौसम गाता है, गम की गलियां छोड़ के ये दिल सपनों के घर जाता है साहिबा मैं जहाँ देखूं जाऊं जहाँ मुस्कुराता है सारा समा जगमगाती है राहें मेरी जान कैसी है जादूगरी साहिबा 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 ओ साहिबा 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 पल पल छिन छिन मचले ये दिल
ओ साहिबा मेरी साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा मेरी साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा मेरी साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा ओ साहिबा मेरी साहिबा
मेरे ख्वाबों का है फूल खिला महका हूँ मैं जो चाहा था मुझे है वो मिला बहका हूँ मैं उजली उजली किरणें हैं जागी जागी राहें भीनी भीनी खुशबू है फैलाई है बाहें उजली उजली किरणें हैं जागी जागी राहें भीनी भीनी खुशबू ने फैलाई है बाहें साहिबा इतने सारे गीत सुरीले जब ये मौसम गाता है गम की गलियां छोड़ के ये दिल सपनों के घर जाता है इतने सारे गीत सुरीले जब ये मौसम गाता है गम की गलियां छोड़ के ये दिल सपनों के घर जाता है मैं जहाँ देखूं जाऊं जहाँ ये दिल।
ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा।
ओ साहिबा, ओ कितनी प्यारी लगती है दुनिया आज मुझे, हर मंजर लगता है नया साज मुझे। उजली उजली किरणें हैं, जागी जागी राहें, भीनी भीनी खुशबू ने फैलाई हवाएं। उजली उजली किरणें हैं, जागी जागी राहें, भीनी भीनी खुशबू ने फैलाई हवाएं। साहिबा, इतने सारे गीत सुरीले जब ये मौसम गाता है, गम की गलियां छोड़ के ये दिल सपनों के घर जाता है। इतने सारे गीत सुरीले जब ये मौसम गाता है, गम की गलियां छोड़ के ये दिल सपनों के घर जाता है। मैं जहाँ देखूं जाऊं जहाँ मुस्कुराता है गाना तमाम, जगमगाती है राहें मेरी, जाने ये कैसी जादूगरी। साहिबा, 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 ओ साहिबा, 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 साहिबा। पल पल छिन छिन मचले ये दिल।
ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा,
ओ साहिबा,
ओ साहिबा, मेरी साहिबा, ओ साहिबा।
Namaskaram. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to MIindia.com, the premier website that offers extensive information and resources to the community. Also, it goes above and beyond to offer other support for worthy causes in and around the community. Today, MI India has enabled the Michigan Dance Fraternity to express themselves, commemorating World Dance Day. I, Sandhya Sri Atmakuri, Artistic Director, Natya Dharmi Foundation for Performing Arts, am here to share my 2 cents with all of you. What does dance mean to me? Well, 2 things. One, on a personal and informal note, dance is an outlet, a zone where I can freely channelize my creative juices, a mental and physical place where I can be the other me. Dance is that which allows me to always be in the learning curve mode and an eternal disciple of the world around me, both artistic and mundane. 2, on a formal note, this is how I would define dance. To me, dance is discipline and dedication, appreciation and love for the art, nurturing the desire to excel, creativity and commitment, ethics and values. These are also the strong bricks on which my school, Natya Dharmi Performing Arts, stands on. What inspires me to be on my feet every day? The untold and unexpressed hope and trust of my parents, my gurus, that I will be and do my best in what they have nurtured in me and taught me by example. The need to be the change that I expect to see in the world, the responsibility, the triumphs and failures of being an adult, a teacher, an artist, to walk the talk and to rise to the occasion as much as possible in every hat that I wear. This is what gets me on my feet every day. My dance is not but the mere movement of the hands and the feet. It is not but the mere display of facial expressions and emotions. My life is my dance, the dance that you enable, the dance with which I worship you, O Lord of Dance Almighty. The dance scene in Michigan, it's one of the best case scenarios that I have seen in my dance life. Healthy competition, amicable relationships, looking out for each other, appreciation and respect towards one another. We are the birds of the same feather, or should I say the bells of the same thread. We, the Michigan Dance Fraternity.
कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्तिभिः सीदसादरम्
ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम पराशक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति ओम शक्ति
Tung
जगद्धारिणी श्री सरस्वती अमृतवर्षिणि कृष्णदासेन वन्दित वन्दित सर्वज्ञान स्वरूपिणी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी श्री सरस्वती अमृतवर्षिणि कृष्णदासेन वन्दित
अनंतकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायक राजाधिराज योगिराज परब्रह्म श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय।
I am an outsider. I built these beams with your dreams and watered my red velvet roses with your green garden hoses. I have learned your words, your rules, your pets' names, your silly games, and yet you ask me, so where are you from? And suddenly all I hear is, you're not from here. I'm an outsider in my own home. I am alone. I am the dirty magazines my son hides behind the kitchen counter, not meant for polite company. A homemaker, you ask me, but what do you do? What I do is build a home on the hope that my life will get better. That silly dream that still gives strength to my mother while that man hurls abuses at her. She couldn't save herself, but she could give me what they took away with her dowry. Freedom. She parceled me in a red wedding sari and wrote down the address on the package, anywhere but here. But out here, away from there, it's the same. No, it's worse. Because out here, I am an outsider. I am a clothesline stretched between two worlds, neither here nor there. Too proud to hang my dirty laundry out to air. What right do I have to complain? Back home they have it worse. That patriarchal curse that forces women to be nothing more than a kitchen appliance and a purse. Out here I don't need to wear a veil to cover my head, just a high collar to hide the bruises. I'm better off than most, but worse than I've ever been. A small price to pay for piped gas and a chance to eat at the same table as the men, to be seen. But I am still an outsider. The women here, they don't believe in second chances. No way. But neither do the men behind the desks believe in first-time applicants with no resume. What's the use of picking up the pieces of my life and walking away when I can never make these odds and ends meet? I am an outsider from my own body, from these bruised hands and feet. When the mehndi faded and the scars didn't, I learned to distance myself from my flesh, from my fear. Every time he abused me, I went away in my head, yet another anywhere but here. I bandaged my wrists in handcuffs of, I probably deserved it. I wrapped broken bones in tourniquets of, he will change. I concealed the scratches under an, I'm doing fine. I straightened my back with a brace made out of, I will not break. I am an outsider when it comes to life. I will never ever consider anything as stupid as suicide. How can you kill yourself if you're already dead inside? I am an outsider. I always have been. But only until I let someone in. You are not alone. Let someone in. Someone like you.
Namaste. I'm Shreyoshi Day, an Odissi dancer based in Ann Arbor, Michigan. First off, I would like to thank MI India for bringing us all together on this wonderful occasion of the World Dance Day. As we all know, MI India serves a fantastic function in our community, providing us with very useful, wonderful community-based information that we cannot do without. So, why do I dance? What does it mean for me? Well, dance means the world to me. I see the world in terms of dance and movement. I see the rhythms around me, and that's dance to me. Even the rhythms of the changing seasons. Even the day-to-day changes, when morning blends into the afternoon, when afternoon blends into the evening, and evening goes on to nighttime, when nighttime blends into the early morning hours of dawn. All these rhythms are nothing short of dance to me. Dance gives me a way to see the world, to understand the world, and that's how I relate and respond to the world. I have been dancing since I was maybe 3 or 4 years old. At first, it was just casual dance, just movements that came spontaneously. But later, I started training in classical dance. At first, I studied Bharatanatyam for many years, did my Arangetram, and after that, I switched to the Odissi style. Since I was about 16 or 17 years old, till now, for all these decades, I have stayed with the Odissi style, learning, studying, choreographing, teaching, performing. It has been my life. So not only just me, I feel like dance has given me a purpose to teach the next generation of students. I have taught my own daughters, my twin daughters, who are also Odissi dancers. I have taught a whole bunch of students. We have performed together, we have choreographed together, bringing immense joy and meaning to my life. What prompts me to get up and dance, be on my feet every day? Well, so I ask myself, if I didn't dance, what would I do? And I don't have a good answer, because this is what brings me the most meaning and joy in life. So I just dance. We are very fortunate to be in this greater Detroit area of Michigan, where we have a tremendous amount of South Asian dance represented. There are many teachers who teach different styles of Indian classical dance, but not just classical dance. There are teachers who teach semi-classical, folk dances, Bollywood dances, other creative forms, all contributing to a wonderful medley of South Asian dance. But not just teachers. There are many interested and dedicated students and their families that support them. And so it goes on. It is passed on from generation to generation, enriching our lives. On this occasion of World Dance Day, I would like to congratulate all of you, the dance teachers, dancers, families that have nurtured and created dancers, the audiences, all the dance lovers, everyone who participates in dance, because dance is life itself. Thank you to Emma India again. Namaste.
শুধু জলে লিখে নাম আমি চলে তো গেলাম তুমি কি দিলে আমায় আর আমি কি পেলাম বলো আমি কি পেলাম শুধু জলে লিখে নাম আমি চলে তো গেলাম কত আশার প্রদীপ দেউলে তোমার কত আশার প্রদীপ দেউলে তোমার আমি মুখে জ্বালালাম কি দাম দিলে তার মুর্দার তো শিখায় শুধু নিজে জ্বলিলাম বলো আমি কি পেলাম শুধু জলে লিখে নাম আমি চলে তো গেলাম ঝোড়ো হওয়ার মতো আমি ঠিকানা বিহীন এসে ক্ষণিক ছুঁয়ে হই দুরান্তে নীল ঝোড়ো হওয়ার মতো আমি ঠিকানা বিহীন তুমি জানিলে না কেন কাঁদে গো সাগর তুমি জানিলে না কেন কাঁদে গো সাগর কেন বউ ভেঙে যায় ভাঙে সুখের বছর তাই নীরব ভাষায় আজি বিদায় নিলাম বলো আমি কি পেলাম শুধু জলে লিখে নাম আমি চলে তো গেলাম তুমি কি দিলে আমায় আর আমি কি পেলাম বলো আমি কি পেলাম চূড়া আগুন তুমি আগুন ঝরা বানে আমি শীতের রিক্ত শাখার ব্যর্থ হাহাকারে ডাক দিয়েছি তোমায় নব শ্যামল সম্ভারে আমি শীতের রিক্ত শাখার ব্যর্থ হাহাকারে ডাক দিয়েছি তোমায় নব শ্যামল সম্ভারে তোমার ছোঁয়া শীর্ণ ভালে স্বপ্ন জীবন আনে তোমায় ছোঁয়া শীর্ণ ভালে স্বপ্ন জীবন আনে শুন করেছ শূন্য তোমার গুণ করেছ গানে কৃষ্ণচূড়া আগুন তুমি আগুন ঝরা বানে শুন করেছ শূন্য তোমার গুণ করেছ গানে কৃষ্ণচূড়া আগুন তুমি আগুন ঝরা বানে তুমি আমার আলোর নেশা বিভোর ভোর মায় কৃষ্ণচূড়া তুমি আমার প্রেমের পরিচয় কৃষ্ণচূড়া চূড়ায় তোমার রক্ত তিলক পড়া কনসরা যৌবনের তুমি স্বয়ং বরা কৃষ্ণচূড়া চূড়ায় তোমার রক্ত তিলক পড়া কনসরা যৌবনের তুমি স্বয়ং বরা কেশর তোমার প্রাণে আমার পঞ্চস্বর হানে কেশর তোমার প্রাণে আমার পঞ্চস্বর হানে শুন করেছ শূন্য তোমার গুণ করেছ গানে কৃষ্ণচূড়া আগুন তুমি আগুন ঝরা বানে শুন করেছ পূর্ণ তোমার গুণ করেছ গানে কৃষ্ণচূড়া আগুন তুমি আগুন ঝরা বানে dim tom tana ta dim tana na dim tom tana ta dim tana na dim tana na dim tom tana ta dim tana na dim tom tana ta dim tana na dim tom tana ta dim tana dim tom tana ta dim tana na dim tom tana ta dim tana na udani tana de tana na udani tana
संग लिए ग्वाल बाल रत्ना कर नंदलाल सखियां सब उमंग भरी गोवर्धन चाल है गिरिवर की पूजा करन राम दत्त थे आनंद मनावत है इंद्र देख क्रोध कर सदनन पुरवाई चलत बरसत मूसलाधार बरसत मूसलाधार बरसत मूसलाधार सखियां सब वही जात कृष्ण चंद्र गोवर्धन नख पर उठाए ले नख पर उठाए ले ब्रिज को बचाए ले ब्रिज को बचाए ले ब्रिज को बचाए ले तथा
पवन की झकाझोर पवन की झकाझोर बूंद झमा झम किशोर बूंद झमा झम किशोर पवन की झकाझोर पवन की झकाझोर बूंद झमा झम किशोर बूंद झमा झम किशोर
Namaste. First of all, happy World Dance Day to everybody, all my dance buddies and dance lovers and art lovers. And thank you, MI India, for giving an opportunity to share this style of art form, which is Mohiniyattam. Just to share a couple facts about this dance style. It has its roots, its regional flavor comes from the peninsular state in India of Kerala, known as God's own country because of the beautiful landscape of palm trees and rivers and the sea that surrounds it. And we can see that all that has influenced in the style, in the technique of this dance form. So you see more of the rounded movements, you see the wave-like movements. They're all inspiration from the landscape of that state. So the style is very Lasya oriented, like Odissi or Manipuri. Even though it is very graceful, you yet see the energy, the inner energy that comes out even with the graceful movements. Today, the item that was presented is Ashtapadi. It is more, it's a very lyrical dance style, and it suits the Ashtapadi item suits this dance style because of its the poetic and the lyrical divinity that is there within Ashtapadi. It exudes the love, the Shringara aspect of Krishna and the Gopikas. So today's Ashtapadi was a small glimpse of the lyrical dance style of Mohiniyattam. All the students, they all wore the traditional costume. The typical, very distinct feature of from an aharyam, from a costume perspective, it is the white costume and the gold ornaments and the hairdo that is very typical of the style. So I think I took a lot of time, but thank you again. Thank you very much for this opportunity to share this style with all of you. Happy World Dance Day again. Bye.
निभृतनिकुञ्ज ग्रहं गतया निशि रहसि निलीय वसन्तम् चकितविलोकित सकल दिशा रतिरभसभरेण हसन्तम् सखि हे केशिमदनम् उदारो रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ अथ भावितया सविकारं सखि हे केशि प्रथम समागम लज्जितया पटु चारुशतैरनुकूल मृदु मधुरा स्मित भाषितया शिथिलीकृत जगनदुकूलम् किसलय शयन निवेशितया चिरमुनसि ममैत शयानम् कृतपरिरम्भण चुम्बनया परिरभ्य कृताधरपानो सखि हे केशि मदनोदारो अलसनिमीलित लोचनया पुलकावलि ललित कपोल श्रमजल सकल कले परया वरमदन मदाद विलोल कोकिल कलरव कूजितया जित मनसि जतंत्र विचार श्रद कुसुमाकुल कुंतलया नकलिखित घनस्तन भारो सखि हे केशि मदनोदारो चरणरणितमणि नूपुरया परिपूरित सुरत वितानो मुखर विशृङ्खल मेखलया शकल ग्रह चुम्बन दानो रति सुख समय रसालसया दर मुकुलित नयन सरोजम् निस्सह निपतित तनुलतया मधुसूदन मुदित मनोजम् सखि हे केशि मदनोदारो श्रीजयदेव फणितमिदमतिशय मधुरिपुनिधुवनशीलम् सुखमुल्कण्ठितराधिकया कथितं वितनोतु सलीलम् सखि हे केशि मदनम् उदारो
Namaskara. This is Dhanyavani Rao, founder and director of Abhinaya School of Dance, Michigan, wishing all of you, on behalf of my students and their families, a very happy World Dance Day. Dance has been a part of my life since I was a child. It has taught me discipline, focus, respect, and a sense of gratitude. It has also taught me to be graceful through my failures and to be humble through my triumphs. I'm very honored to be a part of a wonderful, thriving, growing dance community in Michigan. The dance community comprises of knowledgeable dance gurus, dance teachers, students, and artists. All of us as a community work with a single goal of promoting the art and praying and hoping that students will continue to enjoy, love, and promote this art for years to come. With the blessings of my parents and my gurus and the support of my family, I am very fortunate that I have been able to teach for the last 17 years in Michigan. And with everybody's blessings and support, I hope to continue this for years to come. The first stepping stone in introducing Abhinaya School of Dance to the local residents of Michigan was, of course, MIindia.com. Without the support and the tools that they provided, this would not have been an easy thing to do. I'm very grateful for the camaraderie that we have with everybody at MIindia.com and the support that the MI India community gives us so that we can do our job easily. Thank you to each one of you. Wish you all a very happy World Dance Day. Namaste.
नृत्यति नृत्यति साम्ब शिवो धृतो 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 इति नृत्यति नृत्यति साम्ब शिवो नंदिकेश्वर सुवादिकडमरुक नंदनीय मुडुमुरव परसुर
तत्तित्तजं ततकनं दी तित्तजं ततकनं दी तजं ततकनं दी जं तकनं दी तकनं दी नन्दी तजं तनं तरुं तदिमि तत्तित्तजं तां तदित्तजं तां ततजं तां तनं दी नन्दी
सुंदरी करविलोलित चामर सुंदरी करविलोलित चामर वृन्दगेश शिशु सोमदरो मदनृत्य
Namo
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिने शरीरे बाहुते तुमिमा शक्ति
India.com honors and celebrates all the dance teachers and the students of dance on this World Dance Day. We are incredibly grateful for your work and the positivity you bring amid this crisis. You have been instrumental in spearheading the awareness of the value of Indian dance in its unique divine forms in your style. Thank you for sharing your joy with the Michigan Indian community. MIIndia.com wishes each of you and every student of dance a happy World Dance Day.